I Can by Rubey, and thank you for stopping by. And it's your first time, welcome. And if you've been here before, I couldn't ask for any more blessings than for you to return and watch another video. Thank you. So, topic today is adaptability. We're gonna go into a little bit of survival mode techniques here. We're a spiritual channel, but at the same time, I want to teach you how to survive in this rough world. This world's tough, comes at you from all angles, from your mind. You get all these thoughts. Sometimes you wonder, man, could I be really thinking in these dark thoughts? Not necessarily. Remember, you're hooked up into this whole ether, whole upper conscious level that's everyone's thoughts manifesting at the same time. But you can discern from what's good and bad when you get to that level. Well, let's not get off topic, like I always say, but adaptability. What is it? In order for you to succeed in life, you have to adapt to all scenarios and situations at all times. This took me a long time to learn and master. And am I still a professional at it? Absolutely not. We'll always should think as though we're the student and not the teacher. At the same time, be the teacher to others, but still the student. If you can understand that parable, then you know exactly what I'm saying. Always be humble when you're teaching. Always remember you can learn just like a student does. Adaptability is a great thing that you want to learn within your life. No matter where you are, where you go, who you're with, what scenario, what place, whatever's going on in your life. If you could adapt to the situation, blend in, at the same time be yourself, and put out that energy of who you are in a strong posture while still being humble, that's the key. And adaptability is no matter where you go, what you do, know when to put your point across, know when to, which is very hard, to close these lips. Well, I can't, everyone wants to speak, right? Know when to close those lips and listen with these ears. And to give you a little scenario, sometimes I've been in a room with someone who's gone through many different scenarios, but I have been with it a couple of times where this has happened to me. And they were going through, or her or he, whoever, during these times, bad times, and just wanted someone to sit there and be near them. Do you know that I didn't speak one word? They spoke no word. Sat there for however long it was. I didn't really pay no mind, whether it be an hour, 2 hour, half hour. It was a while. Got up, said, I'll see you later. And they stopped. I said, wait a minute. Thank you. Because silence is golden. It's golden. Even though we did not say one thing to each other, we were in that room. I understood what they were going through. They understood that I knew that sometimes no matter what you say is not going to console them. But being there in this body and spirit and just having that love and knowing, hey, I got your back. I'm here. I'm here with you. Was more powerful than anything you could imagine. Adaptability. Adapt to all situations in life. If you look at the scenarios within life itself, look at any animal that there is. You can take this animal out of their environment, and what will they do? They have to adapt to survive. This is now the golden ticket that I want to hand you. Exactly what I said. In order for you to survive in this whole game of which we call life, you must be able to adapt to all situations and scenarios. And then later, even when you get to this level, and later on maintaining, do whatever it is, but always to have that adaptability, you got to have that mind right, your emotions straight, ego gone with, focused on your mind, 100%, know what you want to get out of life, and you can adapt to anything, absolutely anything. I'm telling you because I know, I speak from experience. I always said on this channel, I don't talk anything I don't practice. Through adaptability, and when you could think quick on your feet and speak in a tone and mannerism which people will respect you and you will respect them, you can accomplish many things throughout your life. And what I mean by the speech is, like, imagine you go off of like anger, emotions, you come back, start arguing, all this. I guarantee you 5-10 minutes later, half of the things you said you won't remember. You ask the other person, they won't remember. But you know that later on, was it even worth it? Absolutely not. But if you were able to adapt to that situation, you would have learned how to ease the situation. So I leave you with this adaptability, use it in all aspects of your life. Learn how to adapt to any situation. Be like that animals in the wild. No matter what you do, whatever it is, and just like if you see in the United States, we have a lot of deers. And sometimes we kind of invade their property either with developments in the area, more roads, whatever it may be. They still adapt. Sometimes, you have casualties within that. And then imagine them too, even through their adaptation of whatever they may be, they have casualties. Even though we adapt to everything in our life, we're going to have loved ones passing, things happening. And through that adaptability, not that you learn how to forget about it, but you got to look at it in a different way, in a positive light. And that's one of the hardest things to do, because when we go through dark times, it's always easier to pull out the negativity in all aspects of your life. But if you learn how to adapt, you can pull out all those positive energies and flip it right around. Adaptability, try it in all aspects of your life. Take care, everyone.